So we're heading towards the lion, the first symbol of the city of Florence.
My name is Rafaela. In Florence, I'm a painter and I'm also a tour guide. My favorite site is Piazza della Signoria because it's the neighborhood where I live, and it's because it's an outdoor sculpture museum.
And this is called Ponte Vecchio because it's the oldest bridge we have, okay? So we were talking about something that is 700 years old.
My favorite aspect about giving tours to LivTours is that there's the possibility to interact with nearly every single guest that we have.